Would you hate me if I said single black mothers drag the entire black racial stats down? Without single black mothers, black financial stats shoot up to just under white financial stats. This means the wealth gap that liberals love to quote is not worse than it was in the 1960s when removing single black mothers. Even single black females, single black men, unmarried black couples do perfectly fine just under married black couples financially. But because they make absolutely no distinction when doing black financial stats, it seems that blacks are doing far worse than what the entire group is actually doing. They are literally dropping zeros into the black financial pool. 0 plus 100% averages out to 50%, which is failing, right? Throw in there hundreds of thousands of zeros. Are you beginning to see the problem?